Why does it feel that every step forward we make in this world, we just end up going 2 steps back? In the UK, they just decided that the definition of a woman legally is based on biology. So trans women are not seen as women under the law. And that's just not acceptable. That is not acceptable anymore. Trans women are women. We need to stop excluding people from this world. We need to stop letting people exclude and ban and I'm just tired. I'm tired of watching this world go backwards and be destroyed by bigots, by the homophobes, the racists, the transphobes, the misogynists. It is so fucking exhausting. There was a point where it felt like we were moving forward, that the world was finally understanding how to accept people for being who they are. And now we live in a world where the bigots get to win, where the bigots are making the laws. To all the trans people out there, I am so sorry. The world needs to do better than this. The UK needs to do better than this. To all the trans women out there, you are women. I see you as women. I hear you as women. I recognize you as women. And I am so sorry that you have to deal with this shit and are not accepted by these fucking people. But can't give up hope. We have to keep fighting. Eventually the world will change. It will go forward again. We just gotta hope that we keep pushing forward, that we keep instilling values in people, changing minds, and hope one day all of this bullshit will just fucking stop. I am so sick and tired of hearing people, just the hate and the vileness and the anger and like, I am a cis woman, born as. I identify as a woman. But you don't know how many times people just assume, or maybe they think I am, maybe they're just doing it because they're mean. But they call me oh, you're a man, like, they go after me because they think I'm trans. I mean, it's annoying and it's hurtful sometimes, like, not, I shouldn't say hurtful. It doesn't hurt me. It's just you get sick of it after a while. But the thing is that I'm not trans, and I don't actually really have to worry about this kind of stuff. And I couldn't imagine. I mean, I can, but I don't actually have to worry. But because I deal with the bullshit, I realize that it's not just about trans women. It's about all women. Because if they can come after me and claim that I'm not really a woman, they could do that to anybody. And all these laws and all these bans that they want to make, it affects us all. Because all it takes is one person to decide that you are not feminine enough. You don't look like a woman enough to them. And then they're going to have you removed from a bathroom or have you removed from a locker room. That's the world we're living in, where no woman is safe, cis or trans. Because all it takes is just that one person to decide you are not feminine enough. That is the world we live in. So as long as there is hatred towards trans people, there will be hatred for all women. Because they are basically saying that you have to look a certain way, you have to sound a certain way, you have to act a certain way, or we're going to question your gender. And not a... So for all the women out there that are being these fucking transphobic pieces of shit, you are not immune. One day it will happen to you. And I hope you realize that all the hate and all the anger and everything that you have pointed at trans women will come back on you. Because I'm telling you, I have seen on that side, on the TERF side, on the fucking transphobes, some women that were very questionable looking. And I know eventually it's going to happen to one of them. Fucking karma. I'm one of those people that I just want people to be themselves. I mean, yes, there are lines, there are illegal things that we don't friggin' do. I've always said, whatever floats your boat, as long as it's not animals, kids, dead bodies, and it's always consensual between adults. It's always consensual. Anything else, I don't care. I don't necessarily want to see it. And that's coming from somebody in my industry. But, I just accept people. Tell me your pronouns. Tell me what you want me to call you. It's all good. It's all fucking good. And I just don't get this fucking hate and anger and upset and everything else. I just don't. I just want us to move forward. You know, this is why people don't understand how important it is to get out and fucking vote in Canada. This is one of the biggest elections of our lifetime right now. We are literally choosing between a future like what is happening down in the United States, what potentially could be happening in the UK now, and moving forward with a leader that believes in women's rights and LGBTQ two-spirit rights. I refuse to move back. I refuse to move back. So my vote for the Liberals is not just to stop Pierre Poilievre. It is a vote for a more inclusive, open-minded Canada. Because I'm not letting this country fucking go backwards. It's too filled of hate and anger and bigotry as is. We need to end it.